We will graduate. But God's heart is for who's next after us. I don't want to pass away po na wala akong na-preach ng gospel. All of my achievements will pass away and die with me. Whether I become a CEO, or I earn a promotion, or I become yung pinakasikat sa Lasal, all of that will die with me. But what will not die is the gospel. That's why we go out. We don't waste our time seeking other things. We don't waste our time on what is temporary. On what right now is consuming us. Grades, trabaho, which is all good. It's good that you do your best in your career. It's good that you do your best in academics. Pero ito po yung priority natin. God wants us to know our priorities. Honor God, make disciples. You come here to church, that does not change. When you go out, that does not change. Hindi siya, when you're in church, okay, this is for the Lord. Sunday is for the Lord. Ito yung araw ni Lord. Pag Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, ay, may assignment ako. Ay, may trabaho. Our priority is to preach the gospel. For our children, for their children's children. There was this one time I cried to God. I was in grade 10. Hindi ko po gusto yung mga kaklase ko. Inaaway po nila ako nang binabackstab nila. But I started crying habang nag-worship ako. Habang nagbabasa ako ng Bible. Umiiyak ako, Lord, you are the best thing that's ever happened to me. Ayokong ipagkait yan sa iba. I don't want to waste my time consumed on so many things. Iba yung pinupursu ko, hindi yung gusto ko ako yung makilala, building my own kingdom. Gusto ko makilala si Anne, yung magaling sa OM, yung ate sa OM. But I want you to be known. Kahit ako, Lord, di na ako makilala. Let that be our heart. There's always a young person in your household. There's always a young person that you know. There's always a young person you can bring here. God wants us to be consumed for what? Sumasakit yung puso nila. Parang nag-ache yung heart ni Lord para sa mga next generation. The people after us. There's always, I am young, but there's a next generation after me. There's always someone after us. God wants us to participate in what He is doing. You come here to church, you bring your children. You come here to church, you bring yung mga apo nyo, yung mga anak nyo, yung mga kapatid ninyo. Don't let them miss out on this. God is calling us for different pursuit. He is shifting our focus. Anak, hindi. It's not about you. Our generation is obsessed with self. I have to feel good. Self-care, self-love. Take care of me first. Look out for number one. God calls us to serve. To serve our campus. To serve the next generation. God is shifting our focus that you can preach. You can bring students here. If it's your children, you can speak to them. If it's kapatid mo, speak to them. Do not be silent. Si Esther in the Bible. How many of you know Queen Esther? Sabi niya doon sa uncle niya, how can I speak? Papatay na ako. Pag nag-speak ako. But Mordecai, her uncle said, if you stay silent at a time of this, like this, salvation will come from others, pero for such a time as this, God is calling you. For such a time as this, you are in your campus. For such a time as this, nilagay ka ni Lord sa OM. Nilagay ka niya sa Divine Word College of Kalapatan. God is calling you right now. Not just for your age group, not just para sa, kung you are part of the singles community, season 1s, pamilyang family, all of us can participate.